안녕하세요, Rex. What's up, Monsties? I am back reacting to BAEMON House. I'm gonna be checking out episode 5 of BAEMON House, guys. I'm not really sure if we're gonna get another episode because next week is the comeback for Baby Monster and their second mini album as well. We go up, so we will find out if we're gonna get another episode for BAEMON House. But I'm excited to check out this episode as well from BAEMON House. We're now in episode 5. Really enjoyed the last week's episode, because they, especially my favorite moments in that episode, when they were watching Conjuring, you can see all of their, reactions. Like they're all scared of the movie, especially Ion, man. She's just like, frozen. Yeah, and then Parita, my boss, man, she's not scared of the movie at all, man. She's really brave. But yeah, I'm really excited, to watch this episode as well of BAEMON House. So because we saw the preview, and Chiquita was playing with this dog. So yeah, again, my boss and Baby Monster, for those who don't know, is Parita. My boss directors are Asa and Rami. Rami is not currently not, present in this reality show as well from Baby Monster. So we wish her all the best. But yeah, all right. Again, I'm gonna be watching the episode, and then I'll let you guys know what is my favorite moment in this episode, and then this reaction. So let's watch BAEMON House episode 5. Also, I took off my jacket because it's really hot right now. Alright. Alright, so let's react to BAEMON House episode 5, guys. 3, 2, 1, kaja! Oh, it's a really long episode. 36 minutes.
귀엽다.
Okay, so we're back at the pre-meeting.
이렇게 앉을 수 있는 그런 기회가 있었으면 좋겠어요. 강아지나.
좋아. 강아지. 강아지는 다 할 수 있어요. 너무 사랑해요.
케니가 다 잘할 거예요. 똥도 잘 치우고.
저 똥 다 할 수 있어요.
Oh my god. Chiquita just loves puppies, man. Yeah.
빨리 나와. Come on.
Come on.
Welcome. 애기들 welcome.
Oh, it's 2 puppies. Okay.
아이고 난리 났어.
Aurora's reaction. Oh, there's another one.
Another Saturday, another hydrolyte delivery.
Alright, ad break.
With network monitoring, Telstra Internet helps protect you from suspicious activity. Visit Telstra today.
춘식이. 안녕.
The dog's just next to Ruka, man. Yeah, they're so cute. They even have names, man. Nana.
귀여워.
Let's go.
어머, 오줌 산다.
찍지 마세요, 다들.
Oh, Chiquita's trying to call the dog, man. Kaka.
걔 두부인 거 같은데?
두부야.
Dubu.
아, 숨한다. 졸린가 봐, 두부.
Dubu means tofu, guys, for those who don't know.
누구야? 얘 왜 이렇게 귀여워?
It's a really cute name for the dog, yeah.
너무 귀여워. 괜찮아.
Okay, Chiquita went to the dog.
싫어.
천식,
이거 찾아.
준식, yeah.
잠깐만. 아이고 잘한다. 아이고 잘 어울리네. 귀엽네 귀여워. 큐리.
와, 진짜 오랜만에 해. 오, 한 번에 넣는 이 나이.
Oh, they made the uniform,
야무지게
so okay.
꾸며보겠습니다. 나 프랑스 십자수반이었어. I love this one. This is my
I love this one. Here we go, Rora again.
진짜 grandma habit.
Your favorite catchphrase, man. I love this one.
조심해.
I love this. From the first episode of BAEMON House, yeah.
Okay, I'm done.
아 뭐야?
제가 바나나를 십자수에
So that one's for Nana.
왜냐면 나나 바나나거든. 스타일 일로 와봐봐. 응. 먼저 너한테 피팅 해봐야겠어. I'm not 강아지.
It actually suits Chiquita, man. Okay, Tori.
괜찮아.
Ogu.
귀여워.
Ogu. What a cute name, guys. Ogu.
이렇게 봐봐. 누구야? 누구? 누나 봐줘. 누구야? 누나.
So Ion's taking care of Dubu. Nah, Dubu just left Ion.
누구야?
Dubu went to Ruka.
언니가 좋은가 봐.
누구야? 괜찮아. 괜찮아 나. 귀여워. 어떡해.
Two dogs went to Ruka.
난 너밖에 없다. 나나야.
까까 여기 있어요. 까까.
까까 어디 있어요?
까까 여기 있어요.
Are they going to bring those dogs, those puppies, to the BAEMON house, man?
오줌이. 잠시만요. Oh my god. But it's okay. But it's okay.
Dog got a little bit excited, man.
까까 venom.
Kaka Venom.
괜찮아.
Okay, she got Kaka away.
아이 잘했어.
예.
야, 하나.
나나 괜찮아?
7 puppies for BABYMONSTER. Oh, there's another one, Muji.
우리가 할까? 아니야. 무지야.
Rora's trying to catch Muji's attention.
우리 무지는 자유로운 영혼이랑 조금
아,
있으면 와요.
알겠습니다.
Rora.
어머, 쟤는 리턴이랑 진짜 잘 치는가 봐.
진짜 귀여워. 진짜 귀여워. 리타 언니랑 지나가.
Ogu, oh yeah. Okay.
피넛 일로 와.
Okay, us trying to call Peanut.
피넛 똥 쌌구나. 피넛 잘했어. 피넛이야. 반가워. 아, 비 온다.
It's always about the logbook, and if the car has been regularly serviced.
Prams, bags.
Alright,
soon
we
it just
got
needs
that
to be a
break.
mini apartment.
들어갈까? 얘들아.
들어가시죠.
괜찮아. 나나.
Okay, they're gonna bring the dogs inside.
기다려.
The
기다려.
puppies inside, yeah, I mean puppies.
어디 있을까요?
나나 왜 이렇게 귀여워?
어디 있을까요?
Ruka playing with that dog, man.
응.
Why do you keep calling them dogs, man? They're puppies, man. They're younger.
아야야야. 손 앉아. 손. 하이 터치. 하이. 오케이 오케이.
Chonchi giving Asa a high five.
기다려. 먹어. 아 잘한다. 나나. 나나. 나나 나나 나나.
Nana.
나나 나나 나나. 나나. 키파.
Oh my god, Rora.
나나 나나 뽀뽀 나나 뽀뽀 나나 뽀뽀
Nana Popo.
나나 뽀뽀 나나 뽀뽀 나나 뽀뽀 나나 아니야 뽀뽀하는 거 아니야. 잠시만.
저기 핫플레이스다.
나 대가족이야.
Oh my god, Roga with 3 puppies, man. What on the...
넌 누구야? 귀여워.
무지야
Rora still talking to Momuji.
우리도 친해지자. 무지야 언니 좀 봐봐. 까까
Oh, Kaka is back. She's so playful, man. I finally got a puppy, man. Let's go.
좋아하나 보다.
Kaka.
없어요. 처음이에요.
누구야?
만졌어. 처음 만졌어.
She got a new friend, guys. Kaka.
아예 안 해줄걸?
해줘. 그래? 안나야 뽀뽀. 아우. 아우.
심장이 아파.
잠시만.
내 발을 왜?
뭐야? 이게 무슨 포즈야? 내 발이다. 안 잤어.
갑자기 똥 싸면 어떡해?
똥 쌌으면 좋겠다. 안돼.
밥 먹자. 애기들 밥 먹자.
I think they're gonna feed the puppies now, yeah.
아, no.
I
앉아.
really like this episode,
앉아.
man.
손. 미안해. 나나 거야.
애들 밥 먹을 때 한 마리만 냅두고 나머진 다 위로 올려서 안아주세요.
아,
네.
소리 일로 와.
잠시만.
Tori log out.
나나 먹방 중. 다들 관심.
무지 시간이야. 무지가 먹는 시간이야 지금.
여기. 아니,
Rora trying to feed
기다려.
Muji.
앉아. 기다려. 무지 기다려. 그렇지. 무지 기다려. 드셨습니다. 무지 먹어. 아유, 무지야 좀 천천히 먹는 건 어때? 아, 잘 먹는다.
걔 되게 음식을 좋아하는 친구구나.
그러니까 아연이야.
아연이구나.
It's like Ion.
나쁜 친구가 있구만.
Because that puppy loves to eat as well, man. Just like Aeon.
Anytime is 7-Eleven time.
피나 갈래? 밖에 갈래? 밥 먹었으니까 밖에 나가야지, 그치? Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. 가자. 돈.
Now they're playing games with the puppies.
귀여워.
어구 좀 뛰어. 어구 뛸까? 어구.
Ogu's not listening to Chiquita.
뛰어야지. 지금 여기 와. 잘했어.
어구 진짜.
어구.
So super lazy.
Super lazy.
와우.
Why is Chiquita excited, man?
잘한다. 오케이. 어구 왜 그래? 어구.
제발. 어구 진짜 웃겨. 방금 어구 대박이야.
어머 귀엽다.
아 진짜 귀여워. 어떡해.
재야지.
Nap champion.
어구
Oh my god, all the dogs are coming to Ruka, man.
괜찮나? 집에 가자. 집에 가자. 집에 가자. 우와. 일로 와.
Aeon carrying on
우리
the
그래도 좀
puppies,
많이
man.
친해졌다, 그지?
되게 오래 본 거 같아. 신기해.
수고 많았다, 그치? 고마워.
소리란 나나.
Okay, Ruka got 2 puppies, man.
잘했어요 오늘도. 고생 많았고.
진짜 졸려 보여.
지금 잘 것 같은데?
마지막인데 자고 있어. 어구 오늘 행복하게 해줘서 너무 고맙다. I love you.
나도 다시 만나고 싶어.
어구 진짜 귀여워.
어구 너무 귀여워, 진짜.
아 여기 하루 종일 있을 것 같은.
재밌었어.
Oh.
바이바이. 안녕. 바이바이. 안녕.
아, 고생하셨습니다. 감사합니다. 고생하셨습니다.
진짜 귀여워. 어떡해. 안녕. 짜잔. 오늘은
Summer Sonic D-Day, okay.
오사카에서 썸머소닉을 하기 위해 왔고요. 너무 떨립니다.
What's up, Osaka?
I was in Japan? Okay.
We make him talk, so I need a dance and hold on my bags. Always up first and never the last. She's
Chiquita. Drip, drip. So they love the BAEMON House to promote. I mean, to perform in Japan. I think it's just a few days, yeah. Say, ready, just run like night. Yep. Drip, 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 drip. You got drip, drip, drip. Isa, hot sauce. Ever we are. Maybe most of the girls got that woo 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 sauce, hot sauce. I love seeing the crowd just singing along to Baby Monster, man. Let's go, Monsties! All right, now back at the BAEMON House. Home summer festival in the pool, yeah. You. Oh my god. Oh my god, she get to play.
Thank you.
Playing with Aeon, man. she's like teasing her.
이거 타면 여기 내려가면 떨어질까? 타봐. 아 잡아줄게. 해봐. 나 떨어지면 언니 잡아줄게.
Only has your back.
쭉 뛰어. 뭐 어떻게? 뛰어.
Yeah, how good school holidays? So good.
You can just skip the ads, guys. So yeah.
Good's that? Big W. Nailed it.
Bubbly, sparkling water with a hint of flavour. It's a little fancy.
아, 빨리.
그렇지.
Ace's got her camera ready.
다리 저쪽으로 빼야지. 잠깐만. 내가 잡고 있어. 야. 잠깐. 알겠어. 이렇게 할게. 기타 출발.
It's just Chiquita, guys. Yeah.
우리 기타 육아 중. 기타
Riding that huge rubber ducky, man. It looks like a swan, though.
언니, 우리 게임하자. 생각났어. 이렇게 양쪽으로 들고 있는 거야. 그래서 이렇게 왼쪽 오른쪽 이렇게 할지 모르고 이렇게 피하는 거지 이렇게. 자,
오케이.
언니가 피해야 돼.
내 순발력
잡아.
They're playing the boy with the water guns. Rora.
야, 너 내가 더 강력함.
Oh, Rora's got a new weapon. Oh my god.
오케이, 오케이.
So chaotic, man.
시작해볼까?
시작해볼까? 빰빰 빠라밤 빰빰 빠라밤.
잠시만! 나 이걸로
Water gun fight.
Hit you with that 뚜루뚜루뚜.
While singing do 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 by Blackpink, man. Let's go. Do do do. Yeah. Ruka was doing the choreo, man, for do do do.
근데 잠깐만 우리 10분만 휴전 좀 하자.
야 너무 뜨거운데 빛?
와우 또 오셨네요.
와.
Sunshine. Happy.
나 하고 싶은 거 있어.
Okay, Ruka's up to something. 수박.
먹을게 수박.
Okay, are they going to eat the watermelon?
제가 잘라줄게요.
잠깐 자를 방법 있어.
안돼 언니. 안 돼요. 일단 뭔지 모르겠지만 안 돼요.
제가 하고 싶은 게 있어요.
언니 안 돼.
루카 언니 뭐 하려는 거야?
Destroy.
언니가 뽑았던 거
Destroy, destroy the watermelon. Yeah.
뭐 깔아야 되는데. 허리. 좋아요.
혹시 이거
Are they gonna be smashing the watermelons?
나 하고 싶었어 이거.
맛쓰리네 맛쓰리.
오케이.
봉 있어요 봉.
No, say it's a yoga mat.
눈 가려야 되는데. 그냥 이렇게 가릴까?
What is Ruka do? Oh my god. Is that her new? Is that her outfit, man? The first demeanor. Demeanor.
제가 쇼 보여드릴게요. 재밌는 summer show.
Fun summer show.
조심하세요 감독님들.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh my
Oh, she's trying to smash a watermelon while wearing the towel, the shades. Well, she couldn't see because she's wearing a towel on her head. Oh, here we go. She's gonna smash it, guys.
Let's go. Let's go.
완전 세게.
세게. 더 세게.
She missed. Remember just laughing, man. With Ruka.
언니가 뽑았던 거 아니죠?
먹을 수 있나?
완전 세게.
Come on, Ruka. Let's do it.
You did it.
Oh, she finally broke it. Let's go, Ruka. Sweet Kawari.
You made it. Okay.
It means breaking the watermelon in Japanese, yeah.
와우. 맛있는 거 이겨. 오.
Now they can eat the watermelon.
가져가세요.
그러니까.
감사합니다.
맛있다. 진짜 맛있어.
That is definitely a moment, you know, right there, guys. You know, Ruka trying to break that watermelon in this episode.
A revolution in hair fall science.
Again, guys, you can skip the
now.
ads.
New patented L'Oreal growth booster.
I mean, we're almost. Well, we got 10 more minutes for the vlog. Ah, you just fit. Oh my god! She just finished a whole water. I mean, just a slice of a watermelon.
Oh my god.
But that's like a big slice, though.
김치 찌모가
김치 안 먹어?
응.
Chiquita doesn't like the seeds.
못 먹어도 뭐야?
Aeon just eats everything, man, even the seeds.
수박을 사랑한다면서 씨를 안 사랑하면 수박을 좋아하는 게 아니야.
그런가? 나 여기 없지.
여기다 시리얼 먹고 싶어.
시리얼?
She's looking for cereal again.
와! 스프라이트 있으니까 같이 만들 수 있었는데.
Watermelon punch.
그냥 다 재료를 갖고 와야겠네. 느낌 있게.
Here we go, episode 2. Ruka Summer Show.
먹고 마셔야 될 것 같은데요? 놓고 갈게요. Hey Ruka.
예.
Hey Rook. Oh, here we yeah.
젤리. 아이스크림.
They grabbed some ice cream too. All right, fruit cocktail.
맛없을 수가 없어. 괜찮아?
한번 먹을
I just love her cereal, man.
맛있겠다.
와! 냉장고 털어옴. 와 이것도 있었어? 찐이다.
느낌 있게.
수박을 자르고 있어야겠다.
Let's go, Asa, chopping the watermelon. Ruka time.
그냥 해보는 거지.
우와 나 이거 진짜 좋아해 나. 언니 그거 많이 넣어주세요. 귀엽게 스프라이트 넣어. 우와. 와 진짜 사체다 대박. 잠깐만. 내가 아이스크림 하고 싶어.
예.
And put the ice cream on top. Yeah, that's yummy.
루카의 화채
먹을게요.
네.
I've never tasted a watermelon with Sprite before, man.
그
But BABYMONSTER just made a new delicacy, man. They added some, some ice cream as well.
루카이 좋아하는 거야 그죠?
It's the perfect, summer food, I guess. Or more like a dessert. Okay, Ion sharing her cereal with Chiquita.
수박을 먹어야지.
이 과육이 맛있지 않아? 잘 먹었습니다. 나 해먹.
괜찮을까?
Relaxation time. At the hammock. Rora taking some selfies, man. Yeah.
이거
Chiquita's just still eating, man. Parita, man. I mean, she's eating with Parita. They're eating with Parita. Oh my god.
Feels like strawberry.
Oh my god. Ayan. Sugar rush. Ayan is feeling the sugar rush, guys. Yep, this is how dangerous so much sugar can be. I feel like this is the last episode, man.
뭐야?
We'll see.
두명 탈세. 두명 안 돼.
Chiquita. Lying on top of a Prita, man.
오케이, 고. 어디까지? 어떻게?
저기까지.
Prita doing a piggyback ride on Chiquita. Babuya. Let's go. That's our timeline, man.
이거 안 돼? 완벽했어. Mermaid. 페스티벌이니까.
It's a festival. Part 2.
타투 스티커 있어. 할까? 그냥 많이 해야지.
Chica, they're gonna put some tattoo stickers, man.
Rich overnight.
Rich overnight.
Yes.
With her mom, Asa.
너무 많은 거 아니야?
Mom mode activated. Oh, Chiquita just loves those tattoo stickers, man.
진짜 많아.
Tattoo girl.
하트를 그려줄게.
고습니다.
Body painting.
이거 느낌이 이상해.
뭐야 이거? 원 어떻게 해? 물? 나 언니 체리. 오케이.
Chiquita gonna draw a cherry on Aeon's arm, man.
물 해야 돼. 이렇게 물.
진짜 이상해. 이거. What are you drawing?
What are you drawing, Aeon?
그냥 너 팔에 있는 거 똑같이 하는 거 아니야 이러면?
Is it the same cherry?
At Zurich, we cover you
Is it the
and
same
your
cherry that
family.
Chiquita drew on
But
her
wait.
arm as well?
Actually,
I think I saw that cherry too on her arm, man.
와우. 우와, 언니 진짜 잘한 거다.
뭐야 봐봐.
언니 살짝 샵 차려야 될 것 같은데.
다시.
Oh no, it's just tattoo stickers.
야 진짜 뭐 하냐고.
다시.
I'm the only one with the
언니 이거
cherry
좋아하잖아.
drawing on her arm.
맞아. 해드릴게요. 괜히 할 거야?
What is this?
What is this? A rose?
뭐 하고 있는?
아니 이거 장미가 장미.
장미. Yeah, rose.
장미 바이킹. 이요.
BABYMONSTER showing their artistic skills as well, man. Okay, Rita.
다 같이 찍자. 여러분 모여.
Okay, group photo. Home Summer Festival. Oh, let's go! Barbecue party!
돼지 껍데기?
고기 진짜 많다. 왜 야채들이 다 없지? 그 상추랑 깻잎도 없는데? 따로 가볼까? 잘 자라렴. 너희들의 운명.
Oh, that was from episode 2, I think. Yeah.
내 입으로 들어가는 것이야.
Rora was growing some
엄청 많이 자.
seedlings. What was it? Lettuce in their garden, yeah.
잘 자랐네.
Because they're gonna be making samgyeopsal, guys.
많이.
Pork belly.
우리 케니의 무가타 오늘 먹어볼 수 있는 거야?
Mukata.
다를 것 같은데. 그냥 먹을 수 있으면.
That was from episode 3.
이거 먹고 싶어. 맛있겠다.
Asa making the sauce. Gochujang. Enoki mushrooms.
이거는 이 다인이가 좋아하는 거.
완전. 언니 새우 까주는 건 진짜 사랑인 거 알지? 사랑을 담은 새우 까기를
Rora likes some shrimps.
이박 좀. 가자. 아.
Oh, it's a Thai dish, guys. Mukata.
아. 너를 위해 새우를 하나하나 다 까왔어.
와 이거 뭐야? 이사 만들었어? 생버섯. 와우.
Oh, let's go. The gochujang.
맛있어?
진짜 맛있다 이사.
Let's go, Asa.
맛있다.
부카타 소스를 위장한 에이사
The special sauce. They might drill through the bowl.
너무 맛있어요.
And now Aeon's turn to eat. Right on target.
이렇게 맛있다.
많이 찍어 먹어 아직.
You're the best.
됐다.
Only Chego.
아 그거.
Okay, Ruka.
언니 어때? 잘하고 있어?
금방 갑니다.
What is Ruka cooking? Okay.
근데 고기가
Aura of a
있어서
master.
삼겹살.
Oh, the samgyeopsal. Okay.
내가 가져올게.
Asa came prepared.
우와 맛있겠다. 아리가또 고자이마스.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
With Red Rock Deli, you can
Alright,
taste my
another ad
signature
break.
flavors like char grilled spiced chicken with citrus.
Cetaphil's new exfoliating SA cleanser for my skin, for everyone's sensitive skin.
We're almost at the end of the episode, guys.
땡큐. 비밀 소스 우리 1등으로 나지를 먹어보겠습니다. 됐다.
이제 무카타 고기를 먹을 수 있나 내가? 이제 무카타 고기를 먹을 수 있나 내가? 고기 굽다 기빨림.
몬테르 게데.
Ruka's already out of battery. Okay, to turn on the music. Let's go. Parito feeling it, man. BAEMON Club. Okay.
와 하늘 진짜 예뻐. Yes. Let's go.
The highlight. The fireworks.
옆에 너무 빨라.
원래 이거 빠르게 해야 돼. 피다야. 이렇게 하면 되잖아.
사진 보자. 제발. 잘 되겠지?
오. 우와 우리 염력 쓴다. 대박.
BAEMON. Let's go. Oh, just M.
만들어.
Laura. BAEMON. Yep. 사랑해. I love you. Forever. 영원히. Okay, we're still gonna get to episode 6. I thought that was the last episode, man, honestly. Because they said, you know, creating a memory, but alright. Let's just watch the preview. I think this is the final episode. Okay, alright. So they're gonna go outdoor this time, guys. Wait. Let's just watch that last part, wait. Sudden surprise. They're going on a trip, I think. Yep. BAEMON Summer Story. Oh, okay. So we're gonna take a break because we're gonna get their comeback next week. It makes sense. So it'll be back on the 17th of October. All right. So it's not over yet, guys. So yeah, that was my reaction, guys, to BAEMON House episode 5. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Yep. The next video that they're gonna be posting after this episode is the music video for We Go Up, the comeback, and the second mini album for BABYMONSTER, guys. Really excited to react to that as well. But yeah, that's my reaction, guys, to BAEMON House episode 5. Honestly, my favorite moment in this episode, I probably have 2 favorite moments in this episode, man. The dog, you know, what do you call it? The kindergarten dog. The dog, not dog. The puppy, kindergarten, yeah. And then I really like the summer festival as well, where they were playing on the pool with the water guns. I really enjoyed watching that part, man. There's so many good moments this episode too. Like we got the summer festival part 2 where they're like putting on sticker tattoos. Chiquita putting a lot of tattoo stickers on her body, man. And then we got the BAEMON Club as well, when they were just listening to music and dancing as well while eating delicious food, samgyeopsal. What was it? Thai dish mukata, yep. And the enoki mushrooms by Asa. But yeah, and I like this part as well, when they what do you call it, when they were using the fireworks, to make the word BAEMON. It's definitely a memorable moment from them as well. So yeah, all right, guys, that was my reaction to. Yeah, we're gonna pause that part. I really like that scene. BAEMON, yep, this part. Sarang. But yeah, that was my reaction, guys, to BAEMON House episode 5. They're gonna be taking a break, so we'll be back on October 17th for the next episode of BAEMON House, which is episode 6. But next week, I will be reacting to the music video for their comeback and their second mini album, We Go Up. So I'm really excited for BABYMONSTER's comeback, guys. I'm really excited to listen to their new songs, and I'm really excited to watch their music video as well for this comeback. Alright, guys, check out my rest of BABYMONSTER as well. I'll put this reaction, don't forget to subscribe, like videos, follow Instagram for the latest K-pop news, especially BABYMONSTER. And thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna make this outro really short because it's a long reaction. Kamsahamnida. I appreciate every single one of you guys watching reactions to BABYMONSTER as well, Monsties. Again, I'll be back next week for their comeback and their second mini album, We Go Up. And then I'll be back as well on the 17th of October for BAEMON House episode 6. Hope you guys have a great weekend, because tomorrow is Saturday here in Australia. Keep supporting BABYMONSTER. I really enjoyed this episode of BAEMON House. And I'll see you guys in the next BABYMONSTER reaction.